G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. The material's been wetted and the rule's in millimetres. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. Some of the pieces like this got veins of opal in it. So possibly just slice it and use the patterns. I think this is worth getting from the point of view of learning how to cut boulder, because boulder quite often has only thin seams like this little seam here, and learning to cut down to it and then follow it. Quite often you need Dremels. Some of the material's better than others. Basically it's being sold as beginner material so you can get a feel for cutting it. See here, the opal goes down into the face, so you need to work out what you're going to do with that. A bit of colour down the bottom there, might make a little stone. Some of the pieces I've just thrown in as practice material. The whole parcel's not high value. That's an interesting little piece in the middle there. It's nearly solid potch, that. A little bit like that. I might as well send it to you as to throw it out. These have just been randomly picked out of the bucket and they're sold on what I think the value of the stone is, not by weight. Interesting little lines through there. That's the sort of thing you have to learn to chase. Anyway, I think you've got a good idea. I hope you've enjoyed it. Cheers.